Yes, students, today we will start the 16th chapter, that is Quiz on English. Quiz on English meaning a game or a competition. One game or a competition in which we have to give the answer to the question. So, solve these quiz on English. The only word in English language. The only word in English language that is still pronounced in the same way when the last four letters are removed. What is the question? The only word in English language that is still pronounced in the same way when the last four letters are removed. Q-U-E-U-E, Quee. Okay. Now the second one is two words in the English language that have all five vowel in order. A, E, I, O, U. This is the vowel. You all know. You all are knowing that vowel A, E, I, O, U. These five letters are vowel. So it is in the continuous form. Facetious. In this you see F. A C E T I O U S A E I O U. Abstemious. In this also A E I O U is in the continuous form. Okay. Now third one is a word in the English language with only one vowel which occurs 6 times. One from the vowel only one letter is coming 6 times. Which letter? I. Which letter? I. Indivisibility. You just see I is coming 6 times. I-N-D-I. Then again V-I, S-I, B-I, L-I-T-Y. Got it? Which letter? I is coming 6 times. Now the fourth one is the only word in the English language with their consecutive set of double letter. Consecutive of double letter. Which word is coming double? See here in the bookkeeper. Double O, double K, double E. Double O, double K, double E. Bookkeeper. Got it? Now, fifth one is the longest English word without vowel. Longest English word. And that word is not, in that word no vowel is coming. Means A, E, I, O, U is not coming. Rhythms. Rhythms. In this word, see A, E, I, O, U vowel is not coming. Now the sixth one is the only 4 words in the English language which ends in dos. Stupendous. Tremendous. Last word is D-O-U-S. In these 4 words, the D-O-U-S is coming. Now in the 7th one, only 3 words in the English language which ends in seed. Succeed. Last word is seed. So which word is coming? Succeed, proceed, exceed. Got it? What I am telling? Again, shall I repeat? The first one is the only word in English language that is still pronounced in the same way when the last 4 letters are removed. Q-U-E-U-E. Then again, second one is 2 words in the English language that have all 5 vowels in order. Facetious, abstemious. In this continuous form, A-E-I-O-U is coming. The third one is a word in the English language with only one vowel which occurs 6 times. One word that is coming, one letter that is coming 6 times. Indivisibility. Which letter is coming? I. Now the fourth one is the only word in the English language with 3 consecutive sets of double letter is coming bookkeeper. The which letter double it is coming? Double O, double K, double E. Now the fifth one is the longest English word without vowel is rhythms. R-H-Y-T-H-M-S. In this word vowel is not coming. In sixth one, the only 4 words in the English language which end is dos. That's stupendous, tremendous, hazardous, horrendous. Okay. Now the seventh one is Only 3 words in the English language which ends in seed: succeed, proceed, exceed. Clear? This you have to complete in your book only with the pencil. Thank you, students.